Good morning, Elias.
Morning, everybody.
What's up, AJ? Johnny here too? Yes, he is.
I just said good morning.
Still some high volume. Morning, Jolt. Free ass long.
I mean, honestly, I think it's gonna be lower volume than what we've seen the past couple days. For an opening candle, only 30 points with high volume. I think that's pretty normal.
Yeah, this is the VIX is still high. Morning, Flag Poppy. I don't know. I don't know if this is a long here. We trended up all overnight. This is like where you just get in short right now, right? Because we're only gonna actually make a move right now, and then we'll just chop sideways for the rest of the day.
Yep.
I don't know. Do we at least come down to the 38s if we're gonna go higher? I don't even know if. Is this the trap and this is just the bull flag here?
Possibly.
E is looking relatively bullish here. And Q not so much. Kind of like shorts here.
You don't like shorts,
I
or?
said I kind of like shorts here.
Oh, yeah.
But I don't know if we're just gonna flush right through right now. That shit looks so free for longs. I don't Well,
Oh,
I think he said it looked free, or like he thought it was gonna be long, but we're going short. I feel like we're looking pretty short right now. Nvidia dumping, ES bear flagging, and Q is looking like it's hard to find an entry. Yes, at the top of the range. See if we reject off this 1 minute here. ES breaking the highs right now. Or not breaking the highs, but putting in a new 15-minute high.
you have to just wait till something forms. Unless this starts pulling back.
I'm not sure.
Yeah, that's why
I think if we get like above the like 10 level, we could go higher, but I also think we're building out some sort of, we're in like a bigger bull flag than bear flag, but
Ooh.
Order submitted. Order filled. Stop filled.
okay.
did you end up getting in on that?
Yeah, I took that push down to that like 9:34, or maybe I got out a little early.
I missed it.
9:38, I had that low marked out. I got out a few points earlier than that. Oh,
How many points did you make on it?
27 or something.
That's
I made 550, so I mean, I made back most of my loss there. Is it the first message? Playing the shit slow for my payout. It's a good plan. Are you close? ES, what do you need to happen today? Or is it today or just the rest of this week? Grinding my man, GG's Mike. Thank you. Good one, buddy. Thank you, AJ. We'll see how low we flush here. We got VWAP coming up here at the 918s. ES still hasn't broken below. Nvidia flushing lower at the 1 minute EMA. I get a payout on Monday. I'm above on 2 accounts right now. Good shit. So, do you need what, winning days? Or are you just trying to get a little bit bigger of a payout? Oh,
Watch this thing pull all the way back. Cause that's just how the market moves right now.
and we took that low. We'll see if. The problem is, it's just a constant struggle between are we going to continue or have we gone up enough that this is like, now we like. Because your targets are always just like counter of the trend. So you're just like, all right.
Yeah.
Like, I have, it's like, yeah, we have so many targets to the downside here, but.
It's hard to target just the all-time highs.
Yeah, I mean, we got some. Oh, shit. We have like yesterday's high is at the 43s, but then the next high after that is all time highs because we dumped, right? Like, that's when we dumped down like fucking 1,000 points in a day. So the next high is fucking 386. I need more trading days. Okay, I got you. I got you. So like on the, just even on like the 15-minute, we just keep going up. Is this what we do? No, we just trapped below a little bit. Now we're gonna keep going higher, or is this the start of the reversal? Are we gonna put in a lower high right now and start to push back down? $972. Right off that EMA again as of now. 43.50. ES breaking highs right now. This might just be a bull flag here. I assume what NASDAQ if we can get above. I don't know. We get like around that above that 90 area, I think we could go up to those 40s. We're at the top of view up here. That's your view up.
I don't know what it's doing.
That was view up to the tick right there.
I'm like, oh, it's not pushing down that much. Maybe we'll push back through up the top, and then it just instant dumps.
Yeah, I don't know where. I mean, ES looks like the most picture perfect, like fucking bear flag ever, but we're like putting in new highs. That's the problem. That's like building out a bear flag while being in a 5-minute bull flag. That what it looks like we're gonna break out of right now. BS broke the highs. Nvidia pushing up here. and Q.
Yeah. And Q's just fucking. That was straight pumping.
Some good rip. Empire State. FOMC. I love that small bullish candle. It's such an easy entry most of the time. It is true. Gives you like that easiest set defined risk and like some decent confidence. Especially it's like, oh, we swipe VWAP or whatever. Like, we grab VWAP, we put in that candle, you can get in at the close, and then just stops below the low. It is true. I don't really know what we do here. Look like we're bear flagging. We still look like we're bear flagging on ES, but we're breaking new highs in the process.
Now it's turned into chop.
Yeah, we're in that middle ground where I don't like to be. Where we're like below the EMAs and above the VWAP.
Unless this just dumps through here now.
I would think we do. Nvidia dump and ES looks like it's breaking through this bear flag right now, and Q. Bunday. I feel like you said you've been on the absolute heater though, AJ, right? You gotta have one. Gotta lose every once in a while.
No, that's foolish.
Oh, did I just fucking fuck me. Accidentally just close out of fucking everything. I didn't lose yet. How did you say the longs look free and then you didn't enter on them? I called it funds because I wanted the longs so that high. What did you need to happen? Just more like momentum up. It's a -1 arm. I call it a day. Did you not get in on this? Yes. Okay, right to like this high or something. push through, but there wasn't. I got you. Target looked free. That's why I said free longs. I see. What determines what is a free target? Like, how do you be like, oh my god,
What
like
you
this,
think?
we're definitely gonna get hit? Like, what is your reasoning for it? I'm curious. Like, you thought we were gonna hit yesterday's high, or you thought we were gonna hit like pre-market high? Of like this. Look at the hourly and see how free it is.
Ugh, this is where I don't like it, Mike. I don't like the look of this.
Why? Because there's no top wick. You don't like the look of it for what?
It's just very choppy.
Yep. Is that it? Is the day over?
Very choppy. Look at that. It's just fucking straight V shapes.
Got the view up here. Bull flag. No, October. We've been trending to it all night. No, October 13th high. Yeah, I guess. Yeah, we're gonna go get it. We're breaking out of this bull flag right now, I think. ES back up to the highs. The fact that we're sitting here and we're not like instantly getting slapped down makes me think we're gonna keep pushing higher here. And us going up here would really fit the narrative of late, of just pushing down and pushing all the way back up. Oh. Well, see what happens, but is the stream lagging? Fuck. I don't know how to fix that. What's going on with Abhay? Nvidia hasn't popped yet. Yes, broke the highs. What does it do? Because ES already took it, so. Does that mean we get up there? Is any trade going on? Yeah, I'm in this in my cash account here. I already took the short here at 9:37.
You're not trading anymore in your pro firm accounts.
I don't think so, honestly.
It's
gonna ruin my my funded futures if I make. Maybe I will. I don't know. I mean, I am just in my cash right now, though.
What do you mean long?
Yeah, I got it at the 78s. When we were holding up at those highs, I just thought we like sat there for a while. I'm like, okay, looks like we're breaking through the bull flag on like the 2 or 3 minute, anyways, and I would think we were gonna get rejected. If we got up there and we're staying up there, I think we should have rejected if we were gonna go lower. Fuck it. Let's put my stuff at the bottom of this candle for now. We'll see what happens. My cash account, I always try to go for home runs, and then sometimes it just fucks me, so. Don't go all the way back, just keep pushing. Shucks, I'm gonna get stopped out right here, most likely. It's actually a pretty good spot to get out here. Alright, I'll take that. .5 minute, we like just took out that internal one. I like it. But I lost yesterday in my cash account, so this is realistically making up for it. I made more than I lost, but dude, yesterday I got so fucked in my cash account. I tried to take a short. I was already down, and then I tried to take a short, and here it was. I tried to get. No, that was my cash account. I lost somewhere. Or that was my prop account. I lost somewhere. I don't know. I was already down. I think I tried shorting here. And so I was down like 25 points or something. And then on this, I thought we should make a bottom wick here on this 5 minute. And I took the short, and then I was trailing. And once we hit that, I like went to trail. But I dragged my take profit, or my stop loss behind it. But you have to like accept it on TradingView for some reason to like trail it. Like you can't just like trail and drag and drag and drag. You have to like trail and then hit like okay. And by the time I did that, I dragged it and trailed, and by the time I hit okay, the price was already above it, or like back above this price, and then it just pulled all the way back and got me at break even. So I would have made my like 33 points, and I would have been up like 8 points. But instead, I was still down like 25. It was tragic. Well, AJ, you were right. I guess the longs were free. You're the target. Not free, but we were gonna hit them. I don't really think I want to trade anymore, honestly.
I'm hoping for like a pullback and then get in long and hope I can ride it to the R1 level, but
What's your R1 level at?
60.
Mine's 64, so. Same shit. What's up, Kazoda? Oh, I haven't looked at my Robinhood. Well, SoFi's green, and so is Intel, so I'm assuming I'm up. I know I'm up then. Oh yeah, I'm up $70 in the day.
Big money.
55 or $21 and $13. Oh, good morning, Priv. Not really liking it today. Yeah.
Like that's just been the consensus.
It's like I would have rather have had, even though I did good in my cash account, I would have rather had like that bear flag that played at like 947 or whatever and push through. I'd rather that just like push below VWAP, make a new fucking like pull back to a lower high, and then just continue the trend down. But It's like we pull back just to, or we push down just to retrace the whole move and go all the way back up and to take new highs.
And we don't get any pullback, and we just go right to my level that I wanted it to go to.
$33 and the credit is that, so it's 50 credit. Wow, how much? No. 50 cents. I put it somewhere around here. Like here. They're even flipping burgers right now. Oh.
Who's flipping burgers right now?
Raven. I literally
Raven,
don't.
how
I think
can you
I've-
go from
Raven's not even
betting
here.
like?
Raven's not even here.
Oh,
But that's what ES is saying right now.
I was gonna say, how do you go from freaking making $1,000 sports bets to freaking
Because
flipping
she's
burgers?
losing $1,000 sports bets too. That's how it works. Oh, I literally ruined it for myself where I don't think I can have someone tell me what to do anymore. Ever. Just sounds terrible. Damn, she made a band. I don't know. She'd trade heavy, or she would bet heavy sometimes. It seemed a little crazy. I'm doing puts. Tech is I've been learning about like selling puts and selling calls. Have you ever done that before or no? Like these are both sells. So like I got the premium for them already, but this just like they're more looking like they're going to expire out of the money, which is good for me. Because then I'll just make the premium, and then next week I can do it again. The only thing is you got to have collateral to lock up money or whatever. I don't know if you've ever done it or not, but I've been looking into it the past like week. Tried it, hurt my head to keep up with, but it's good money. Tech is, it's honestly super easy to understand, I swear. It's like I don't know if you've seen like the wheel strategy, but you can kind of, so you basically pick a stock. Originally, you have to be okay owning the stock regardless, because sometimes you're going to get, or at some point you're going to get assigned to it, and then you're going to have 100 shares of it. And then you can do cash covered call, or not cash covered, you can do covered calls and do strike prices. But if price keeps pulling back, you're going to need to hold it, because you don't want to sell your covered call at a strike price that's lower than when you bought it, because then you're just guaranteeing yourself a loss. But I don't know, I'm probably explaining it terribly, but it's not that difficult, trust me. Like if you were to go about it, if you were like, okay, like I'll just say my example with SoFi or something. Sure. No, that makes sense. It does. Okay. So it's like if you're, especially if you ever want to buy a stock long term, you might as well do a cash covered, a cash secured put if you're gonna buy 100 shares of the stock anyways. Because then you just collect premium. If it doesn't, it's basically a limit order. Like a cash secured put is basically a limit order, but you collect premium on top of it, and then you don't have to buy it if it doesn't stay like get below it before like expiration date. So it's like if you right now, so I sell a put, so you need the amount of money, like you need the collateral for it. So it's like if I'm gonna sell, I'll go out to next week just because there's only 2 days left, so the premiums will make more sense. The further away, the higher the premium, because the more likely it is to hit. But so price is at $28.94 right now. So say I'm okay owning the stock at 27 or something. So it's like you can sell puts at 57 or 27, collect the $53 premium. You get that in your account right away. even though it'll say like in your thing like, oh, you have like a negative loss or whatever, but it's just because that's what the contract's worth, and then as the contract expires more and more useless, money will start to go up, but you already got credited the money regardless. Like you get the premium regardless. Took my out for the day down 414. See you tomorrow. Damn. All right, Joe. Peace out. But to say it doesn't, so say yeah, you sell or you do a cash secured put at 27. You collect the $53 immediately for the 100 shares, and then say the price ends the week or at your expiration it ends it above this, then nothing happens. You don't get assigned the shares, and you just collected the $53 premium. But say price goes down to 26.5, and then you get assigned the shares. So you bought the shares. You said you would buy the shares at 27, so you still have the premium, but now you're in at 27, even though price is somewhere between like 27 and lower or whatever. So, and then once you own it, you can sell calls and say, what is that, 27? Say you own them at 27, then you could sell calls above 27 or at 27 to collect premium on. I mean, obviously, like these are in the money because I use the example of below, but so it would be like something like up here. So you'd be like, all right, I'll sell the call up here. You get the 64 cents of the premium right away credited to your account, and then if it comes up to this price, you would sell your shares at this price, and then you'd get the gain on that, and then you'd be out of the loop, or like that's the whole wheel cycle. And you can do like rollovers too and shit. If like you don't want to actually sell the stock, like you can like then pick a later expiration date and then go like higher with the stock or whatever, and then you would like cash out your old premium. You'd like buy yourself out of your old premium and put in a new premium, but it'd still be worth it sometimes depending on. I don't know. That was a lot. I started yapping there, but damn. Okay, seems pretty easy. Yeah. I'm like, this was my first week doing it. Whoop.
Really just pushed up that whole entire time you were yapping. We haven't like seen like fucking one red candle. It's insane. Insane in the membrane.
I gotta do some more research on it when I get fully moved in. Yeah, it's not too bad. I was asking ChatGPT a bunch of questions, and let me see. There's this guy on
What a
YouTube.
legend.
We can see.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. This guy in the money. I watched like how to trade the wheel strategy. What's his name in the money? He explains it pretty well. But it's basically like try to collect as much premium as you can. Yeah, just made some money in that little takeoff. What, just in like your prop accounts? But yeah, basically the process is sell puts, collect the premiums until eventually you get assigned. Then hopefully it doesn't like pull. Like you want like a decent stock that's either like sideways or slightly up or something that you can like trust yourself or like you're okay owning if it were to pull back. And then you could maybe dollar cost average in if you wanted to, or you could just hold it long term if you still thought it was going to go up. Because at some point you're not going to be able to sell covered calls if it keeps pulling back so much because the premium is going to be like nothing, and you don't want to sell covered calls above your or below your strike price, because then you have the worry of getting like assigned to them, and then you're gonna get assigned as a loss. So then at that point, you need the price to either go up or you need to dollar cost average in so your average price is lower. But like you look at like some of the stocks or whatever, like it looks nice to do with like Amazon and shit. You just need more collateral that you need to tie up because you need to be able to afford 100 shares. But like Amazon, it's like you can trust in that forever. So if it does end up pulling back, you're okay fucking holding it. But yeah, I mean you gotta have $21,000 to assign it. Okay, but if it's down after the set amount of days, I have no choice but to sell. If it's, what do you mean if it's down? Okay, but if it's down after the set amount, well, like you're selling the put originally, so you, like basically in the beginning you're hoping, like I don't want to get assigned. I'm okay getting assigned, but I'm just trying to collect as much premium. Like, or, not that I don't want to get assigned, but like I don't know if I just go a couple of weeks without getting assigned and I don't really have any like liability, and it's just like okay, I just collect the premium. So in the beginning, it's like all right, sell cash covered puts on a stock you don't mind owning. So say Amazon. Say I was looking at Amazon right now. It's like, all right, sell a put. I'm like, okay, I'm okay owning. Let me go to next week. So if I were to get one today, it's like, okay, price is at 217. I'm okay. They normally say like go for a 0.3 delta because a delta is like the percent chance that it gets like in the money. So it's like, or this is a 0.25 delta here. So it's like, this is like a 25% chance it'll get through. So it's a little low, but it depends on what you want. This is a 0.32. So it's like, you can do a 212 delta, or sorry, 212 strike price. So you're like, okay, I'm going to sell this. So I'm okay owning these at 212 if I want to. I'll sell this. Immediately you get credited. So you estimated credit. You'll get that immediately. So it'll be $256. And then you lock up $21,000 or however much it is. Yeah, you lock up $21,250, and then if price closed at this point below at the expiration date, if it came below it, regardless if it came all the way down to 205, you own the stock. You said you buy it at 212. So if it like rips and dumps below it, then yeah, it sucks, but. Because then maybe you're going to have to do like pretty far out of the money covered calls. But so basically then you get assigned this at 212.5 at some point if it goes below it. So then you own them and then you just switch to selling calls. And then, but I mean, the problem is it's fucked up because it's not actually down there. So like say you were at, like you got assigned at 216 from like the week prior or whatever. You're like, all right, I'm going to sell calls. And then you could sell up here. And then if it goes up, what is that? $9 from here. You'll make $9 on every stock, and you'll make the $170 on the premium instantly. But if it doesn't hit, then you do it again. Maybe the next week it went up a little bit, but it didn't go up enough to hit your strike price. So you're still in the price, and then you can pick a further strike price, and then collect the premium on that. But it'll be closer, so the premium will still be like relatively the same. Oh, gotcha. Premium free money and no stress if the actual order. Exactly. So it's like, for my two right now, I did Intel yesterday and I did SoFi on Monday. So it's like, since I'm up 80% on these, which like I say up even though I already got credited to it, but it's like I bought it at, like the total return is $45. The market value of it is 10 cents right now. So it's like, it was $55. So I got credited $55 immediately, but now it's only worth 10 cents, which most likely means it's going to expire out of the money because it's not going to come all the way down to $26 because where are we at right now? We're at $28.90 and it's Wednesday. So hopefully it doesn't come down to it by the end of the week and then it'll just expire worthless. I'll collect the $55 and I will have never got into it. And then the next week I can just do the same thing. And at some point I will get assigned, but and like the same thing with Intel. It's like, okay, I'm collecting $50. I locked up $3,400 in collateral just in case I was gonna have to buy it. That's like the cash secured. And then yeah, like it's down to $13 of I've gotten like $13 left of the $50 that I haven't. Oh damn, some good money to be made in this. Yeah, I mean, the people say it's not good because like it like capture upside shit like that too. Because if it's gonna like rip up like higher, then you can't capitalize. Like if you're gonna sell a call at like even today, say if you were to sell a call at 77 or say 37 or whatever, right? You're gonna sell a call, so you collect the $58 in premium, and then you collect the increase of the price of the stock that you have from 36, 35 to 37. So you get like, what is that, 65 cents a stock. But if it ripped up to 40 in that week, you already agreed to sell it at 37. So like you'd miss out on the $3 per thing. So it like kind of capture upside, but in the like unlikely situation that you are going to have stocks rip in your favor sometimes. But like it's not like you're losing out on money. So is it me or do you hear it playing in the background? I don't mind. It's a vacuum. Ooh, we're building out a bear flag. I mean, a bull flag here.
Yep. Waiting.
Are we just at the top?
I don't know.
But yeah, it's kind of interesting. Like it's a nice idea, but it's just you got a lot. Like it doesn't. The problem is it doesn't sound good because you're so like it's just like a non-exciting return. It's like I'm locking up. I mean, it's only a week, which like it's good, but it just sounds bad compared to like fucking crypto or like these like prop firms where you fucking buy in for $100 and then you can take out fucking $5,000 out of each account. Like when you're 50xing your money or fucking 5xing your money in crypto, it's like, oh, what am I locking? I'm locking up $2,600 to make $55. Like what is that? It's 55 divided by 2,600. It's like is that 2%? Is that 2%? I guess, right? Yeah. Yeah. It's a little less than 2%. Well, 1.7%. Yeah. I honestly had no idea what he meant when he said Hoover. Did that mean vacuum? I had no clue. I keep buying Legos with my cash account. I'm a degenerate. I just like make a trade of like $1,000 and I'm like, all right, let's go buy Legos. And I'm a loser. And now I have so many Legos that I have to build.
That he's never gonna build. Because Legos suck to build.
Well, I was gonna build them in the apartment, but you know, we all know how that is. Wow, what's wrong with fucking Legos? What Lego you buy? I just got the Mona Lisa. It's so sick. The Mona Lisa? Is it like one of like the mural ones?
Yeah.
Or is it the...
No, that's like a picture of a thing.
Oh, yeah, it's like the mural ones. That one looks a little crazy, but... Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm a little bit more of a dork. I like Star Wars and Batman, so I got... What have I got? Wait, before I got like out of 10? Well, no, you just bashed on Legos. That's a fucking 1. What happened to your Replicanto? Yes. What did I get? Batman. Lego. So I bought this. It's like a backdrop of. It's like kind of like a mural. What the fuck is this? Well, I got some black kid wearing sweatpants. Where's my fucking Batman? So I got. I feel like it's not showing it the greatest, but I got that. I probably could just get on the fucking website. I bought this car.
Which card did you buy?
This is when I went with Sarah. I bought the.
I don't have your stream open.
It's like the classic TV series. Batmobile.
For Batman?
Yeah. It's like there's an older
like
Batmobile.
long, skinny one.
Yeah, it's like a low ride. Like it looks like a. I don't know what that is really. I don't know if you call that a sedan. It's like a convertible, or it's like a. Not a convertible because there's no roof, but. What else? So I have the tumbler. I already have that. I want to get these. I want to get like some of the murals of the Batman of these. I also want to get the ones for the. That's right. You can make like the Joker and shit. I bought Boba Fett's ship. Why do you have to add Black Kid? It was. Let's see. Boba Fett. Lego. I got his ship. I'll buy the Titanic, but I know it. I won't build it because it's so many pieces. How many pieces is the Titanic? Let me see.
I think it's like 6,000 maybe.
Just like, where do you put that? I mean, I say that. I think that's with all of them. You don't know. Put 9,090. Jesus Christ.
Is it that much?
I didn't realize it was that much either. That thing is sick, though. Dude, just buy it, Tekis. Just buy it. It's like,
You don't need to build it. You just look at the box.
yeah,
With the idea of building it. That's all.
what do we got? Yeah, so the Eiffel Tower is. Eh.
Eiffel Tower. I don't know where you put that thing.
The
That
problem
thing's
is,
huge.
that looks like the most miserable build ever. It's just fucking. The whole thing is one fucking gray piece. Like, it's just gray brick. 9,000, that's
Yeah.
like a whole weekend right there. Dude, that's like 8 months. That's taking me
Yeah.
forever. I'm so slow with Legos. I do like one step.
took
And
me-
I don't even like to do Legos. I like what Legos look. I'd rather do a puzzle.
It took me like 40 hours to do my Lamborghini, and that was like 4,000 pieces.
Yeah, the cars, though, like, sometimes
Cars are.
like building
Are
all like the
harder.
motors and shit like that, and like
Yeah.
there's so many like wheels and that shit, like type of shit, and like gears and shit. So that takes a little bit. I built the Millennium Falcon. I have that. The Death Star is so gay.
I saw a TikTok of a girl building the Eiffel Tower, and she was like, "Look at this step," and it was just like putting like you know those like stub pieces to connect things.
Yeah.
She was like, "I have to put in like 260 of these pieces on this one like edge to
Yeah, that
connect."
sounds like
part
a
of the-"
huge.
I'm like,
I have the big
That was-
Hogwarts castle. It took me 4 days. Jesus.
I have the Hogwarts Express train.
Trying to see.
And I
Kid
built
just
one
grinds
car,
it. What do
and
you
then
literally just sit there for 4 days straight and just absolutely grind?
I mean, that's what RJ built the whole Millennium Falcon in a week.
Yeah, that's crazy. Oh, this one right here, this Hogwarts castle, 6,020 pieces. Fuck me. I want this McLaren P1.
Yeah, like
This is what Johnny. Is this what you have? The Orient Express train, or is that something different?
no, it's the Hogwarts Express.
I think is this what you have? The Lamborghinis, like the green Lamborghini.
The Scion.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Um. Yeah, this is what I about that. I want to get the C3PO. Max Verstappen's F1 car. Yeah, this is what I bought. This looks cool. Uh, Hogwarts Castle, the main tower. I don't have that, but no, I had hell for 2 days, so it went a little faster. I hate when people touch my Legos.
Yeah.
Me and Sarah did like fucking one step together, and she wanted like, let's do it on the floor, and then we had to fucking pour out pieces and do them on the floor, and then I'm like, this is fucking stupid. So now if we do Legos, we just build our own separate ones. Gotta get that apartment so you can fill it with Legos. That's what I'm saying. I'm prepped, dude. I have like the big AT-AT, like the big fucking walker from Star Wars. That's just in a
Touching all your
box I
Legos.
got. What'd you say?
I said I'm touching all your Legos.
Yeah, fucking right, dude. Yeah, I'm gonna fucking rub my nutsack on your pillow. Let's see.
Oh god.
Oh, I also bought like the Boba Fett, just like head. Or like helmet. Jenny, you gotta sell your Lambo Lego and that. Yeah, just tell someone it's an actual size, and maybe you can like sell it for like $400,000.
Damn it.
It's genius.
It's actually pretty big.
Yeah, yeah, like
It's like the size of my arm. Like lengthwise. Thing's sick that like you can actually like see the pistons move in the engine. You can like press buttons to open up the door. The steering wheel actually like turns the wheels.
see. I also want this is my problem. I want 6 of these, and they're 200 each because I want to be able to make the Darth Maul, the Darth Vader, and the Kylo. But then if you get someone also made it so you could like get you can put 3 of them together and make this giant Darth Vader. So like I need to make that too. So that means I gotta buy 6 of them, or at least 5. Maybe I won't buy. Maybe I won't get this Darth Vader if I have the other Darth Vader.
I don't like the look of that Darth Vader one.
But these are retired. Of this one,
The small one.
that's what I'm saying. I'm like, maybe I won't get
With
that
like
one.
the side angle kind
Yeah.
of. Oh god.
That's actually sick. I would do that first. It's either that or what? I think that maybe
Can
Batman
you even
has some
get
cool
any-
ones.
They're all vaulted, right?
Yeah, like those ones. They're gone.
Yeah, but like who's selling 6 of them at once?
Like I mean, you can literally buy them at other like Walmart and shit like that. I think it's just like
The Batman ones.
and this would be the one if you bought 3 Batman. Or I'm sure they have all types of ones.
Like those are so funny. You're just like, I want to buy plastic, but I'm gonna spend thousands of dollars.
Yeah, but it's cool plastic. Like these are cool.
Have you seen like the not the actual Legos, but they're like the other company? They do like Pokemon stuff. It's actually really cool.
I mean, my sister got me like a whole like Krusty Krab thing. That's like a Japanese Legos that I have to build too.
It's called like Brick Link. I got in this freaking.
I'm not sure.
I think I should have gotten it earlier. I don't know if I like this anymore.
fake Legos sometimes look better and cheaper. I got all the. Yeah, that is true. Like the one my sister got me does look cool. I don't know what brand it is, but and like she like said the price. I'm like, dude, how much did you spend on this? And it was like a very reasonable amount because I'm like, wow, this is a big Lego, so it must be a decent amount. But she's like, oh, I think I spent like $100 on it or something. I'm like, dude, this thing's massive. Got all the botanical Legos, like the succulents. I don't think I know. Let me see. Like all of these. Dude, these guys are sick. No.
Like, look at this.
Look at these happy plants. Or like these
It's-
tiny
you're
plants.
showing them your chart.
I think Sarah has these.
Like, look at that thing.
What am I looking at?
This is 4,652 pieces.
It's just a
Oh
fucking,
god, that's loud.
It's just a Squirtle.
You can get all of them. See?
Life-sized hydro turtle. That's what they call it. Yeah, the ones with the pots. Yeah, I think Sarah has those ones as well. Easy to decorate. Yeah.
Jesus, why is this?
That's the thing. I'm just someone in like they're like, oh, you gotta put plants in your house and stuff like that. It's like, all right, I'll just build Lego plants and then put those in. But alrighty. I mean, clearly I'm not taking on the trade, but we're just.
I tried to get a long, but it's not looking. I thought it would like good.
When you get in,
At 110, when we like pushed back, when we like tapped off the EMA and we were pushing up, I was waiting for a break of the high. I should have just gotten earlier. We were talking about that too, where I'm just like, but I waited for the break of the body. But the volume's kind of died down. I may just get out for freaking. That's sick.
but alrighty. That's it. I'm out of here. I'll talk to you.